This video was brought to you by the Jack L. Hill Lifelong Learning Center, located in the Norman F. Feldheim Central Branch of the San Bernardino Public Library. Please subscribe, and if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and share with your friends and family.
This is Littlejohn. I work in the children's room downstairs at Feldheim Library. I am the craft teacher downstairs. Today we are making a hummingbird feeder. I'm not going to turn this because I don't want the liquid to come out on my hand. But it's a very simple craft that anybody can make with a little help from mom and dad. These are the tools that we're going to use. I picked up a plastic folder from Staples for 50 cents that I cut out a whole bunch of red circles. So you're going to need scissors and a hole punch for this part. And so after you cut them out, you can cut any kind of a design that you want. This one I just did 5. This one I did 5 also, but it looks like it's smiling. So there are those things. That's the part that you need for your hummingbird to get into your little jar. You are also going to need a mason jar. This is a ball jar actually, and this is only about a pint. And it's a canning jar, so it comes with a screw-on lid, and it comes with this little part that comes off of here, which we're just going to put to the side. So you're using this and this. This is a wire hanger that I found on Amazon. So you're going to have this part here, and I'll also show you how to make your nectar. We're going to take and open this guy up, and he just fits on top of the jar. And you can turn it whichever way you want it to go. This part we're going to slide inside of our screw-on lid and just put it in there. So you're going to have your holes for your hummingbird to get into, and then you just screw the lid on. So when you're doing this, you're going to put your nectar on the inside of this. Do not buy the red nectar. It's not good for the hummingbirds. It will hurt your little bellies. So you can either make your hummingbird nectar, or you can buy the clear nectar from the hardware store, the grocery store, anywhere you want to get it from. However, for fun, you can take 1 part sugar with 4 parts water, and you can mix it all together until it's clear again, and you can use this for your nectar. Now this is a non-cooking nectar, or you can heat it on in a pot on the stove so that it doesn't spoil on you. So you just want to keep on stirring it until the sugar dissolves. And once it does that, then we can pour it into our jar, and we've got a hummingbird feeder. And as it evaporates, all of the liquid comes to the top of the jar right here, so the birds can get at it. I'm not going to pour that in there because I'll pour it everywhere. So that's how you make a hummingbird jar. If you want to make it colorful, you can paint your jar red. Just don't use any dye inside of the jar because it's not good for the birds. Okay. Now for this part, this is what you're going to use this guy right here for, and a pencil. You can do this on your plastic and just measure around, and then use your scissors to carefully cut this out. This is where Mom and Dad might be helpful. And to cut your holes for your hummingbird, you can use a hole punch, or if you got a dad who will let you use a hammer and a nail, you can use that to make your holes, and you just punch around your circle. This is a little hard to do. Until you have several holes in there to give your hummingbird someplace to get out the nectar that you're gonna put inside the jar. And I've come to the end of being able to do that. There we go. And then all you have to do is slide that inside of there like that, and then that will give you your top. So you've used your hole punch and you've used your scissors, and so all you have to do is take this part off, slide that over the top of your jar and hook it up. Now if you want to use a wire hanger or something of that sort, you can do that. You just have to bend it around the jar so it stays put. And then put in your liquid and screw on your lid. And you're all set to hang that up for a hummingbird, and they've got a place to sit right here on the edge here.